Flames licked the sides of the tower block in the North Kensington area. 200 firefighters have been battling the blaze for hours.
Thank you, Ramadan. Thank you for Ramadan.
And it's not about Christian, Muslim. I'm Muslim. I don't look typically Muslim. I'm Muslim. But everyone's like this. It's a family. It's not about that. But the government is trying to segregate, all the stories, all the newspapers, depending on what newspaper you read. It's not about that. These are people's lives. These are families. My children's teacher is missing with her family.
And they just pushed past and barred past the police, run to the tower block and started screaming at people and trying to help them. They ran into the building. If it wasn't for all these young Muslim boys round here helping us, coming from mosque, the people would have dead. Enough more people would have dead. Enough more people. They want to talk about them when they do wrong and all these kind of things. When they're doing bad, when they're doing good, they were the first people with bags of water giving to people, helping people, running and telling people.
From other parts of London, from all of London.
Ladbroke Grove,
all of London.
All over.
All of London, not just from our estate.
The whole of Latimer Road, down by Edward Woods, all over came out with water. We don't care what people are. We love them all the same. We all mix together. But thank you, Ramadan. Thank you for Ramadan.